Make sure the boot is empty, clean and dry before fitting. Unfold the liner inside the boot with the quilted side facing upwards. Center the floor section and smooth it into the corners of the boot. Allow the protective flap to hang over the rear edge of the boot. Position the panel with the straps against the rear seat backs. Align the lower corners with the rear corners of the boot. Fasten the straps around the rear headrests. Tighten both straps until the rear panel sits securely against the seat backs. Raise the side panels and close the corner zips on both sides. Position the side panel against the boot trim and check that the corners are correctly aligned. Fold the side panel back and detach the adhesive-backed Velcro strip from the liner. Peel off the protective backing and press the strip firmly onto the clean, dry boot trim. Press the liner firmly back onto the attached Velcro strip. Fit the remaining Velcro strips one at a time. Work along the side panel and press each section firmly into position. Repeat the same process on the opposite side of the boot. Press both side panels firmly into position and smooth out any loose material. Fitting complete.